woke up and I don't know, I look really bad. But yeah, actually today I'm gonna go out. We have some plans, so I thought of vlogging it. And I'm quite excited for today because today something new is gonna happen. You guys are gonna see. I'm going out to get a tattoo. So I've been wanting to do a tattoo since a really long time now, and basically it just got postponed every time. I thought कि मैं करूँगी, but इस time मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, मुझे करना है. So I have a few things in my mind. I have thought about it कि मैं कौन सा क्या करवाने वाली हूँ. So first tattoo है. I don't know how it's going to be. I'm very scared, but I'm really excited for this. To be honest, maybe I'll do a word. Word में अगर कुछ करवाऊँगी तो I'll do something which will resonate towards me. So yeah, अभी के लिए यही मैंने सोच के रखा है. I don't know क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, बट या आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. नर्वस हूँ, बट यू नो एक अच्छा वाला टाइप का नर्वसनेस है. आई एम क्वाइट लाइक, आई डोंट नो, आई एम लाइक फाइन राइट नाउ, बट पता नहीं उधर बैठ के क्या होगा टेंशन में. बट या आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई एम गोना डू इट. एंड या let's get started with this video. So yeah guys, now I'm gonna have my lunch and then I'm gonna go take a bath and then I'm gonna get ready and go out. I'm gonna show you guys where I want to have the tattoo. So yeah, I don't know, I'm nervous, but yeah, I'll catch you guys after some time.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away?
Guys, I just returned home and yeah, I was really happy after getting the tattoo. I'm gonna explain whatever happened there a bit later on because उधर मैं shoot नहीं कर पाई because it was not allowed. So yeah, I was really happy seeing their everything. Like they were very clean. I really liked it. They used sanitizer and everything. So yeah, बहुत सारे precautions थे जो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. But yeah, let me show you guys how is my tattoo. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like it. ये उल्टा लग रहा है, but I'm gonna like show a clip जहाँ पे you guys can understand what it is. So इधर perspective लिखा है. I'm gonna explain why I got this tattoo and everything after some time. So yeah, I'm really happy and yeah, this was a very good experience actually. I thought बहुत ज़्यादा पेन होगा, but it was not like a very consistent pain. It was like जब टर्न्स ले रहे थे ना लेटर्स के टर्न्स, जैसे कि ये जो ई है लाइक द लास्ट ई सपोज, सो जब वो टर्न हो रहा था ना ई का, तो तब थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा था, अदरवाइज इट वॉज रियली रियली गुड, इट डिड नॉट पेन मच. हाँ, आउटलाइन में दर्द हो रहा था. द फर्स्ट कोड दैट दे वेर डूइंग, उसमें दर्द हो रहा था थोड़ा थोड़ा, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स, ओके, एंड देन इट्स गॉन. So yeah, that was how the pain was. I really enjoyed it and I really liked it. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and talk about how everything was after some time. So I forgot to end my vlog that day, but never mind, I am doing it now. Also, I thought of giving you an update regarding my tattoo and also what happened, everything. So basically I went to this tattoo studio. The name of the tattoo studio is Ingdom Tattoos, and also I'm very sorry for the sound of the fan, but it's very hot today and I'm so sorry, but just excuse that. So yeah, the tattoo studio is Ingdom Tattoos. It's near Acropolis Mall. It's in Ruby, in Kolkata. So yeah, I really loved how the environment was. It was really clean and everything. I quite liked that. Everybody were like sanitizing their hands and then doing everything on other people, like tattoos and stuff. So yeah, this is how my tattoo looks like right now. I guess you guys can see. Yeah, so this is how my tattoo looks like after 2 days. So yeah, I quite like how it looks right now. So basically मैं उधर गई, उसके बाद आई हैड टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम. देन दे आस्क्ड मी कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ. तो आई टोल्ड देम कि आई वांट टू डू अ वर्ड. द वर्ड इज़ पर्सपेक्टिव. तो दे वर लाइक ओके. तो उन्होंने बोला कि आपके पास कुछ आइडियाज़ है या फिर हम दिखाएं. तो आई टोल्ड कि आप लोग पहले दिखाओ. इफ़ आई लाइक योर आइडियाज़ आई एम गोना टेल यू. So what did they do? They typed the word in some app or something, I don't know, and a lot of fonts came out, like in his tab, the guy's tab, and he showed me everything, and I really liked most of the fonts, but I don't know, मेरे दिमाग में एक था पैटर्न. आई थॉट कि मैं यही करवाऊँगी, ठीक है. बट when I saw this pattern, this calligraphy, I don't know what happened. I was like, मुझे यही चाहिए. And I told this guy कि I wanna do this one. So he was like, okay fine, we'll do it. तो उन्होंने प्रिंट करवाया एक 2.5 inches और एक 3 inches का, दोनों का ही प्रिंटेड आउट. एंड ही शोड इट टू मी कि मुझे कौन सा चाहिए. तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे 2.5 वाला चाहिए, बिकॉज 3 वॉज वेरी बिग, लाइक यहाँ से बिग था. इट वॉज नॉट लाइक लेंथ में यही था, इट वॉज जस्ट इधर से थोड़ा वाइड था. और मुझे वो इफेक्ट ना बहुत ही लाइक, आई डोंट नो, इट वॉज नॉट सूट, इट वोंट सूट माई हैंड बिकॉज आई हैव लाइक छोटा सा हैंड, इफ़ यू कैन सी, इट नॉट वाइड. ओके, सो या, सो दैट्स वाई आई चोज 2.5 वाला. एंड ही वॉज लाइक ओके. तो ये उसने प्रिंट करवाया, फिर मेरे हाथ पे रखा, एंड ही लाइक इम्प्रिंटेड मार्क ऑन माई हैंड. एंड देन ही आस्क्ड मी कि ठीक है. फिर उन्होंने बोला कि देख लो लाइन सीधा है या नहीं. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके. तो आई चेक्ड इट, इट वाज फाइन. एंड देन उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया. तो आई विल टेल यू हाउ द पेन इज़. बेसिकली आप मतलब suppose an ant is biting you, so obviously it will pain for that time, but then when you will remove it, the pain will go away. So it's just same. So it थोड़े टाइम में it was paining, and basically it was paining when the curves came, like E का जो curve है example, तो वो जब आ रहा था ना, I was like oh लग रहा है, but पता नहीं, I not even make a single sound, you know, like I did not. Whereas मेरे साइड में एक लड़का बैठ रहा था, he was making so many sounds like आ ऊ and stuff, and I was like कितना क्यों कर रहा है. But it is not a lot of pain, okay, just curves में थोड़ा दर्द करता है. And basically they do it 3 times, like पहले वाला आउटलाइन करते हैं वो लोग, सेकेंड में फिलिंग, और लास्ट में they like touch it up जहाँ पे थोड़ा रह गया है, they do it. Okay, they did it for 5 times. In my case, I'll tell you why later on. So outline में थोड़ा लगता है, but trust me, filling में it doesn't pain at all. I was like कि क्या हो रहा है, मुझे तो कुछ फील ही नहीं हो रहा है जब फिलिंग हो रहा था. So it was like that. But third में then when they were touching up, थोड़ा दर्द हुआ. आई विल नॉट लाई, क्योंकि एक ही जगह पे दे आर लाइक डूइंग दिस, तो थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा था, तो यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है नॉर्मल पीपल का. व्हाट हैपेंड, मेरे लाइक यहाँ पे जो जॉइंट्स है ना, मतलब जैसे कि ई से जो सी कनेक्ट हो रहा है, वहाँ पे जो एक लाइन है, दैट वॉज नॉट कमिंग, वो कलर नहीं आ रहा था. सो दे हैड टू डू इट वंस और ट्वाइस, ठीक है. तो इसी चक्कर में इट वेंट टू 5 टाइम्स, उन लोगों को बहुत बार टचअप करना पड़ा था. Basically that was it, and I enjoyed the whole procedure, to be very honest. I am sure I'm gonna have more tattoos in the upcoming years, and also I'm gonna recommend this to you guys. It's a very good tattoo studio. It has 4.9 ratings in Google as well. You can check it out, and I really like it. I loved the experience there. Also, Sukanya Di was very nice. She is the head. I mean, she is the owner of this Ingdom Tattoos. She was very sweet, she was very nice. She told me how to take care of this. She told me to apply a lotion twice a day for 2 weeks, and also उन्होंने बोला स्किन निकलेगा जब ये ड्राई हो जाएगा. एंड she also told me कि 2 दिन मैं पानी नहीं लगा सकती, after 2 days I can. So yeah, that is how she instructed me, and I really liked it. And also the charges were really nice. It was affordable. It was not like very pricey. It was good, like not very pricey, not बहुत less. It was like middle cut, that is very affordable according to me. I would recommend you guys to go there if you want to have a tattoo, want to get a tattoo. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. And also I want to show you something. So I participated in a giveaway. So this was the giveaway by that quirky miss in YouTube. She recently hit 500k subscribers on YouTube. And also, if you're seeing this, I don't know if you will see this ever, but okay, I just wanted to say that I am very happy that you crossed 500k subscriber. I have been in your channel when you had some 2-3k subscribers. I still remember, and I'm really happy that I have been a part of your channel for so long. And I have seen you growing, and I'm so happy for this thing. So yeah, basically she held a few giveaways, 5 giveaways for 500k, and those were in collaborations with 5 Instagram stores. So I participated in all the 5 giveaways, and I won one. And I don't know, when I saw that I was speechless, because you follow somebody for so long, and then you see that okay, this person has seen me, that's why you're getting it. So that's the thing. I really like Aditi Di a lot. Like, she is my inspiration. If I am doing this YouTube, it is because of her. I was so happy when I saw the mention she made on her YouTube when she mentioned me in her IG stories. And I was speechless for some time. I was happy, I was screaming, I was so happy. And I don't know, matlab, that feeling I just can't describe. I was so happy. मुझे सच में यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि I won it. And when everybody like texted me, people, like a lot of people, her fans, her followers, texted me ki congratulations, you won it. And I was feeling so good. And the Instagram store also texted me कि मुझे details भेज दो, I'm gonna send you everything. So yeah, that all happened, and I received the parcel yesterday. So I'm gonna show you now how it is. So they sent me ये courier के through से. So this is how the box look like. ये पूरा कवर करके आया था. यहाँ पे 8/80 लिखा है, मतलब 8 by आराधना ठाकुर. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. Then ये खोलने के बाद you'll get ऐसा एक area. So ये खोलने के बाद ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. And also she sent this letter, which is such a great touch. So I really like when Instagram stores send all these things, like थोड़ा personal touch का कुछ भेजते हैं. So इधर लिखा हुआ है, thank you lovely buyer for owing these beauties. Art by 80 welcomes you to the art family. Please click a picture of the beautiful you and the footwear and hashtag it using hashtag art by 80, and we would love to share your picture. Like and share the page, and it's so nice. और इधर उन लोगों का कार्ड दिया है. Then comes the shoe. These are sandals, and these are really pretty. I really liked how it looks like. So yeah, this is how this shoe looks like. I really like it a lot. इसके सामने कुछ ऐसे डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं, ऐसे आप देख सकते हो. इसके सामने कुछ ऐसे टाइप के डिटेल्स हैं. इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. ये बहुत मेहनत का काम है, इसको देखने से ही पता चल रहा है. एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस. लाइक मैं ये बहुत चीज़ों के साथ स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ, लाइक विद कुर्ते, विद जीन्स एंड टॉप्स, एंड इट वुड लुक रियली नाइस. थैंक यू so much अदिति दी फॉर दिस थिंग. आई रियली लव दिस अ लॉट. लाइक ये बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का है. और थैंक यू आर्ट बाई 80 एज वेल. आई couldn't have imagined winning a giveaway, and also this is the first time I'm winning a giveaway, and this just means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And yeah, that was all I wanted to share in this vlog. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the like button, and also press the bell icon right beside the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I post some amazing stuff. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, I'm Samriddhi, and I make videos on lifestyle, beauty, fashion and many more. So yeah, if you want to join our family, click on the subscribe button, and yeah, we'll meet each other next time. Bye.